Once upon a time, in a cozy little nest at the top of a tall tree, lived a small egg named Ellie. Ellie wasn't sure who she would become. She didn't know if she'd grow wings or scales or even fur. All she knew was that she had to wait. Around her, other eggs were cracking open. One by one, her brothers and sisters popped out, chirping, flapping, tumbling into the big, bright world. But Ellie's shell stayed still. "Why are you still in there?" chirped a cheeky chick. "Aren't you ready yet?" "I don't know," Ellie whispered. I still need time." Days passed. The wind blew softly through the branches, and the stars blinked above the nest at night. Ellie listened to the rustle of leaves, the songs of birds, and the gentle beating of her own tiny heart. And then, one morning, just as the golden sun peeked over the horizon crack, a tiny light broke through the shell. Crack, crack, pop. Out came Ellie, blinking at the sky, stretching tiny wings she didn't know she had. The nest was quiet. Her siblings had already gone on their way. Ellie felt alone, but also strong. She had waited, she had listened, and she had trusted her own time. As she stood at the edge of the nest, a soft breeze lifted her feathers. She took a deep breath, opened her wings, and leapt, not because she was rushed, but because she was ready. And as she soared through the sky for the very first time, she realized being last didn't mean she was behind. It just meant she was becoming herself, in her own perfect way. From that day on, Ellie flew with confidence and grace, reminding every little egg she met. Glowing star, your time will come. Don't rush. Great things grow quietly. Glowing star.